Fi TV's guide is a roadmap to your channels, program categories, and a schedule of when shows and movies air. Using the guide is fairly intuitive and works much like a traditional channel guide, but with a few added features. For example, scroll up and down the channel listing to see programs currently airing. Scroll to the right to see upcoming shows. And if you scroll to the left on any channel, you'll get the opportunity to experience Fi TV's replay feature, which allows you to watch programs up to 3 days after they've aired. Scroll to the left and you'll also find filters. Filters enables you to quickly find currently airing and upcoming programs in sports, news, movies, and kid categories. Simply choose the back button or menu button on your device to return to the normal guide listing. We're always here to help. Call 423-648-1372 anytime, day or night.